Setting up automation in AWeber can save you time and make your email marketing more effective, but most people don't realize how easy it is to do. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up an automation in AWeber and avoid the common mistakes that slow people down. Plus, if you're looking for a better alternative, I'll share my top pick at the end, so stick around for that. First, log into AWeber and go to Automations. This is where you'll create automated email sequences based on triggers like a new subscriber or a specific tag. Click Create Campaign and select Blank Campaign if you want full control, or choose a template if you prefer a pre-built workflow. Next, define your trigger. If you're setting up an automation for new subscribers, select Unsubscribe. You can also set up automations for people who click a link in your email, which is useful for segmenting your list based on interest. Now, add your emails. Click Send a Message, then choose an existing email or create a new one. If you want delays between emails, add the wait, action, and set the time. This controls how soon subscribers receive follow-ups. Another key step is tagging. AWeber lets you apply tags to subscribers based on their actions, which helps with segmentation. For example, if someone clicks a specific link, you can tag them as interested and send them a different follow-up sequence. One limitation of AWeber is that its automation builder isn't as flexible as other tools. The interface is simple, but if you want advanced workflows, like conditional logic or behavior-based automations, you might find it restrictive compared to other platforms. Once your automation is set up, click Save and Amp. Exit, then activate it. AWeber will now automatically send your emails based on the triggers and timing you've set. AWeber is great for basic email automations, but if you want something more powerful, I'd recommend checking out a better alternative. After testing multiple tools, I found one that offers more flexibility, better automation features, and an overall smoother experience. If you want to try it out, use the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.